Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Wi-Fi not showing in list of available networks on Windows 11, 10. First method is click notification area, turn off airplanes mode. Second method is type .cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Disable and re-enable Wi-Fi adapter. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Network Adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, click Actions, click Scan for hardware changes. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Network Adapter. Fifth method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet, click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset, click Reset Now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.